I'm Stephanie. Today we will demonstrate how to use the EINScan Trak and its built-in software EXScan Trak to align multiple projects captured using different scan modes and point distance into a complete 3D data model. For complex objects with areas that the tracker cannot cover, we can combine two scan modes for data acquisition. First, use track mode for most visible areas, then switch to scanner mode and scan confined and obstructed areas directly. You can also remove the ball frame if needed. Finally, use EXScan Trak's multi-project alignment to merge the projects into a complete model. Make sure the projects share enough common features or markers for accurate and stable alignment. Next, we use the front of the vehicle frame to demonstrate how multi-project alignment creates complete scan data. Place the tracker about 2 meters away from the vehicle frame with a clear view of the scan area. In the software, select track mode and scan point cloud. Adjust the point distance to suit the object and resolution required. Here, we use 1.5 mm. For higher accuracy, you can also scan in global marker mode. Move the scanner smoothly and steadily across the areas visible to the tracker. Monitor data quality in a 3D viewer. When an area turns blue, it means enough data has been captured. Continue scanning until most of the main frame is scanned. After completing the first project, expand the project list and click this icon to create a new scan project for the remaining areas. Next, use scanner mode to capture narrow areas that track mode cannot reach. Remove the scanner from the ball frame and wait about 3 to 4 seconds for it to reconnect automatically. The status bar will confirm the connection, and the device icon will change to the scanner mode state. Select scanner mode and keep scan point cloud as a scan mode. Set the point distance to 1.0 mm. For detailed objects, use a smaller value to capture more data, but note that this increases both data volume and processing time. Select feature alignment. If the surface has few features, apply markers in advance and use marker alignment or global marker mode for greater stability and accuracy. Once setup is complete, press the scan button to begin. The tracker is not required at this time. Slowly scan the lower frame and other hard-to-reach areas. Stop when the target areas are fully covered and mostly blue in a 3D viewer. After the data capturing, open the multi-project alignment interface to merge projects from different scan modes. The software offers 4 multi-project alignment methods: automatic feature, manual feature, automatic marker, and manual marker alignment. Feature alignment uses shared geometry across projects, while marker alignment uses shared markers with global marker points. Choose the method that matches your scanning approach. Select the projects to align in a fixed and floating views on the left, then click Apply to run the alignment automatically. After alignment, projects captured in different modes and at different point distance are merged into one complete model, covering even complex areas. Next, use the editing tools to trim and clean unwanted surrounding data, further improving model quality. Finally, mesh the model to generate a complete mesh. This completes the multi-project alignment and full data acquisition workflow. That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you capture and model complex objects more efficiently. See you in the next one.